Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to turn on hand and face effects on the Instagram. So how you can basically turn on this option. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So face and hand effects are basically interact to movement, speech and expression of person in the scene. So this is an amazing feature in the Instagram application. How you can turn it on? First of all, you have to open your Instagram, log into your account, then you have to click on your profile from the right bottom, and once you will do it, here you will see three lines on the right top. Click on the settings. Once you will do it, here you will see different option. Go to the privacy, and right here you will see turn on toggle face under the data permissions. Simply you have to click on that and turn on turn on this toggle. So this is the way this feature is available in few countries right now. So hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.